One day, in a big fancy house, there was a party. Lots of grown-ups were there, laughing and talking. Suddenly, someone found Mr. Whiskers the cat, lying really still in the garden. But Mr. Whiskers wasn't sleeping. He wasn't moving at all. Everyone got worried and called Detective Benny, who loved solving mysteries. Detective Benny looked around for clues. He saw footprints in the flower bed and a strange shiny thing next to Mr. Whiskers. Detective Benny thought, someone must have stepped in the flower bed. He asked everyone questions. Mrs. Paws said she was playing piano inside. Mr. Furball was in the kitchen making cupcakes. Miss Mittens was outside taking a walk. But Detective Benny noticed something strange. There was a little bit of dirt on Mrs. Paws' fancy shoes, even though she said she was inside. Finally, Detective Benny figured it out. Mr. Whiskers had eaten something he shouldn't have and got really sick. Mrs. Paws had seen him eating her chocolate, and she didn't want to tell because she knew chocolate was bad for cats. She tried to clean it up and make it seem like nothing happened. Detective Benny told everyone what happened, and Mrs. Paws felt really sorry. She promised to be more careful with her treats next time.